Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to replace GMC Sierra windshield wipers. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and turned off. You'll need your new wiper blades, a small flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth. Begin by gently lifting the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks securely into position. This prevents the arm from snapping back. Now, let's remove the old wiper blade. Look closely at the connection point where the blade meets the arm. You'll typically find a small tab or button. Press this firmly. While holding the tab, slide the old blade down and off the J-hook or pin on the wiper arm. Always maintain a firm grip on the wiper arm to prevent it from accidentally springing back and cracking your windshield. The driving dynamics are where these two truly diverge. The Boxster's mid-engine design contributes to its near-perfect weight distribution and famously neutral handling, making it feel incredibly stable and composed. The S2000, with its front mid-engine layout, also achieves an ideal 50-50 weight distribution. However, its character is more raw and visceral, encouraging drivers to explore its high-revving engine and precise, communicative steering for an engaging experience. Once both new blades are installed, carefully lower the wiper arms back down onto your GMC Sierra's windshield. Be gentle to avoid any sudden impacts. Now, turn on your vehicle and activate the wipers to test their functionality. Observe them closely to ensure they operate smoothly, quietly, and provide a clear, streak-free view across the entire windshield. This confirms a successful replacement.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.